In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a custom investment template to your ProductRex account. A custom investment template is an investment that we don't have that you wish to use across multiple scenarios. In this example today, we're going to be using an international equity. And that's going to be a fairly common example because we do have the full range of managed funds and ASX 200 and all that sort of stuff. So we're going to use that as an example today. So we're going to go into the profile screen as I'm already in and click custom investments on the bottom right hand side. Once we're in there, we are going to very simply add our custom investment template. Hit the plus button and we're going to type in the name. I'm going to call this one International Equity 1. You obviously would give it the actual name of the investment. Hit save. That's going to create our custom investment and we're going to select it from the drop down. From there, you'll notice that the screen below is exactly the same as when you are editing normal investments for a client scenario, and it functions in exactly the same way. Simply edit the fee. I'm going to put in 1%, perhaps not appropriate for international equity, but we'll just see how that goes. I'm going to enter an investment class. There we go. And I'm also going to put in our asset allocation. So to enter our asset allocation, click the edit button on the right hand side and pop in our details. This one's going to be 100% international equities. Of course, you can do whatever you want that matches your investment. Enter those details, hit save, that's it. You've just created a custom investment. This will immediately be available across all of your client scenarios, as well as inside your model portfolios. So that's all there is to creating a custom investment. However, there are a couple more things you should do if you want, for example, other people in your practice to be able to see this investment. So let's say you've created this investment. Right now, you are the only one that can see it. Nobody else in the application can see it. But we might want to share it with our practice. So we're going to go over to practice over here. And you'll see inside practice now, there is a drop down called custom investments. And you simply select the one you'd like to share and hit save. By doing that, that custom investment template will be available to all other people in your practice. That's all you've got to do. They now have access. Again, if you do wish to use that inside a model portfolio, you can do so. Just go to the model portfolio tab and create it as you normally would. If you've created a custom investment and you are the owner of an AFSL, we can also share them at an AFSL level. However, we do have to do that in the back end, so please contact support and we'll help you out with that. That's all there is to it today. That's how we create a custom investment template in ProductRex.